Hello everyone, I hope you are fine. Today I'm going to show you that how to scan your document whatever you have. If you want to scan your certificate, if you want to scan your ID card, you can easily do it in your mobile, and there is no need to go to printer and do it in printer. So you have to download one app. Its name is CamScanner. You have to download it, and through CamScanner you can easily scan your documents in your mobile. So today I'm going to show you that how to download and install CamScanner, and then how to use CamScanner. So I don't want to waste your time, so let's begin the video. For that, first of all, you have to first go to Play Store, and Play Store you have to create an account and then enter this account. I have already created the account, and in search bar you have to write just CamScanner and click search. Yes, this option will come in front of you. So I have already downloaded, so therefore there is a written update. In your face there must be install. So, and I have already downloaded its CamScanner PDF scanner, CamSoft information, and 4.6, 3 million reviews, and 100 million downloads. So it's really good. It's a really good application for scanning. So I have already downloaded. You have to just click on install. It will automatically download in your mobile. So, and then it will come to that kind of option. I can show it. So just click on CamScanner, and it will open its menu. Through CamScanner you can easily scan your documents. If you want to capture a picture and scan it, you have to click on Smart Scan. If you want to import from gallery, import picture, click on import picture. So I want to import from gallery, so I click on import picture, and then I want to import a picture. I will choose one picture and then select. Yes, I just select this picture and click on import. Yes, and then click next. Your picture is scanned, and now you can choose original, lighten, magic, but I recommend lighten is good. And then click tick mark, and then go to 3 dot and set. Now your picture has scanned and has saved to your gallery. So I'm going to find it in the gallery. That's your picture. So thanks for watching. If you like the video, so please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you.